Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Magic Editor on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 to make your photos even cooler. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to open Gallery and pick a photo that we are going to work with. First thing that I am going to show you, that's Magic Cursor. As you can see, we got this pretty flower on the photo, but the headphones on the background are not aesthetic. We can easily remove them. For that, click on this pen icon which you can see on this panel and then click on these 4 circles. Here choose Object Cursor, and now we would need to select our headphones by drawing a line around them, just like this. As you can see, it didn't work, so we would need to circle it a little bit different. Here is it. You can see that it's going to remove the headphones. And after it's done, we need to click Erase and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the headphones disappeared and now we have only this pretty flower on the photo. Click Done and that's it. Let's move on to the next feature. If you always wanted an art with yourself but you don't know how to draw, that's not a problem. With the AI Magic Editor, we can make an art from any photo. For that, pick the photo that you wanna make an art and click on this stars icon here. Then click on the Portrait Studio and choose the style in which you want to see the art. For example, sketch, watercolor, 3D cartoon, or comic. I will choose 3D cartoon and click Generate. Now we would need to wait a few seconds until the art will be drawn. And now the art is done. You can see a few options of this art. Just like this, there's 4 options of different styles and people on it. You can choose the one that you like the most, for example this one, and click Save Copy. And now you will got this art in your gallery. And the last cool feature that I am going to show you today is named Sketch to Image. For example, this photo is pretty cute, but it's missing something interesting. Let's draw a crown. For that, we would need to click on this icon with stars. Here, choose Sketch to Image, and now we need to draw a crown. It's kind of ugly, but AI will do the work. Just trust me and click that button Generate. And as you can see, we got our ready results and also 4 options with 4 interesting crowns. They are looking like this and they are kind of realistic, not gonna lie. And that's it. Choose the best photo that you like. Click Save Copy, and now the photo is cooler and interesting than before. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and you found some interesting features for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.